Guys, I'm going to do a video that I've literally never done before. Ever. Literally ever. I'm going to be doing the best fidgets for going to bed. I don't know if you've ever seen a video that's best fidgets for going to bed, but I'm going to be showing. Because I have mascara on. I just went out. I don't know if you can see the video, but it was like get ready with me to go to the daddy and daughter date. I don't know if it's called that, but I don't really know. It was February 18th, 2021, because today's February 18th, 2021. But, you know. Oh, so I showed one. The first one is a mochi. Nope. Those are good. I don't have any. I met a Neato. Kitty, my favorite. Oh, I love kitties. They're so cute. I even have kitty stuffed animal. Kitty blanket. I have a bunch of kitty stuff. I have kitty little pillow. Kitty stuffed animal. He's so cute. This is Nightmaid. No. I keep messing up. I said I'm at night mode. Yeah, you can see that. I don't do retries. And I also have this picture of my cat, Tricky. I got it a year ago or so. But I love it. I'm absolutely obsessed with kitties. And I'm going to go vegetarian, so yay. I love animals, so don't ask me. The next one is probably going to be an infinity cube. Oh, they're so satisfying. And the reason why they're good is because they can go on forever and ever. They make me really tired. Oh yeah, and also have, sorry for that, Shelly. Kitty lights. So then when I'm reading at night, it won't be dark. We also have another night light that I don't use a lot, and it's 10 o'clock at night, exactly 10 o'clock, so yeah. And I'm trying to hurry up. And then Simple Dimple, which I got this from Dollar Tree. Not bad. But it's not the best either. Because they're tiny, they fit in your hand. Also, the next one is a puppet. This is probably one of my absolute favorites because, I don't know if you can hear it. Ready? That's the bad side. It's really good. And then the last two are little mini puppets. I love puppets. Hope you can see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and sorry, I just got so distracted playing with this. See you again, bye!